Welcome, class. Today our session title is Week 5, Session 19, Multiple Bonds, Resonance, and Formal Charge Intro. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to recognize when double bonds, triple bonds, or resonance structures are needed. Listen for these key terms: double bond, triple bond, resonance, formal charge. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Sometimes single bonds are not enough to give atoms stable valence shells. Double and triple bonds share more than one pair of electrons. Resonance is used when more than one valid Lewis structure can represent the same bonding pattern, and the real structure is better understood as a blend of those representations. When you feel stuck, ask, "What did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it?" The core model is this. If the central atom lacks an octet, after placing lone pairs, convert a lone pair from a neighboring atom into an additional bond. For resonance, move electrons, not atoms. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example. Building carbon dioxide. CO2 begins with carbon in the center and single bonds to two oxygen atoms. After completing oxygen octets, carbon has only 4 electrons around it. Moving one lone pair from each oxygen into bonding gives OC equals O, where carbon has an octet and each oxygen still has an octet. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. In nitrate, NO3-, the double bond can be drawn to different oxygen atoms. The actual ion does not rapidly switch between drawings like a flipbook. Resonance structures are models showing that electron density is distributed. Now answer this self-check. What type of bond shares 3 pairs of electrons? A strong answer should include triple bond. Hint: single shares 1 pair, double shares 2, triple shares 3. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Draw the Lewis structure for N2. Task 2. Explain resonance using the phrase, same atom positions. Task 3. State why CO2 uses double bonds. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.